Hello everyone, this is Drew of Drew Drives at Grubbs Family Dealerships, and today let's go for a drive in this 2020 BMW X7 xDrive40i M Sport. Is that the audio on? Okay, yeah. This vehicle has a 3-liter twin turbocharged inline 6 with 335 horsepower and 330 pound-feet of torque and 8-speed automatic transmission. Really nice car right here. I really like the X7 M Sports. They're really good. What do you think of this car, Simone?
As always, every BMW, love them. Huge BMW fan, so I'm excited for this test drive.
That's a nice car. You have ventilated and heated seats in this vehicle. Nice metal shift paddles. This is the xDrive7. Nice reverse camera with 360 view. Harman Kardon sound system. Heated steering wheel. And very spacious. You have a big panoramic roof, and you also have a sunroof for the third row, which is interesting. I like the open port wood trim. Let's walk around this car. Nice Alpine white exterior. I love the wheels. They look awesome with the blue M brakes. You have a black grille. BMW LED headlights. These are not the laser lights though. At least doesn't look like it. And here's the middle row. Third row. Oh, these are the BMW individual wheels. So these are like more unique. Like those probably aren't like wheels you can just get from a typical build, but those are like kind of special ordered. I like those little details from BMW individual. Handles pretty well. For a big SUV, it handles well. I mean, the one great thing about BMWs is all of them handle really, really well. Whether you're in a big SUV or like a small sedan or a small SUV from BMW, they all handle well. They all drive the same. They all feel like, you know, sporty. Like, what do you think? I think that all BMWs, like, they all just have like this feeling to them. Like they all feel the same, no matter what it is, which is good. Whether you're driving a base model, they're all fun to drive to some extent. And I'm pretty impressed with the handling on this.
Shifting's very responsive.
And for 335 horsepower, it feels quicker than that.
I know, it actually pulls you back. If you all saw the previous video, we were in what was it, an AMG? What's the
GLE 53.
That was probably, it's a bigger size car, and that one did not push me back in my seat at all. And it was more horsepower, wasn't it?
Yeah, it had like 400 something. This has 335 horsepower. I have a video. Check out my video from yesterday. It's a BMW 740i xDrive, same power and everything. It's also a pretty big car, and I said that it feels faster than 335 horsepower, and that's the same case for this vehicle right here. So it's impressive how BMW is able to make even bigger cars feel quick with 335 horsepower, which a lot of brands cannot pull off. And the ZF8 is phenomenal. BMW's 8-speed is fantastic. And an X7 like this one at 2020 with 60k miles is a great value in the used market. You get a lot of car for the money. It looks amazing, brand new. This is a very expensive SUV, 80 to 90,000, surpassing 100,000 as well, with options and everything like that. You could also go in the X7 xDrive40i with the twin turbo V8, or you can get an M50i, which has even more power. They never made a full X7M, which makes sense because there's not there's really a market for an X7M. But the M50i is basically just a regular X7 on with a lot of extra power. And then you can also get a BMW Alpina XB7, which is an awesome SUV, very luxurious. But I think the X7 is a really, really good car. Let's just go for a quicker drive, a little more drive. I honestly prefer the way this looks over the facelifted one with the split headlights. Do you like this one better?
I noticed before whenever you're pulling out, the headlights look really good.
Yeah, like the new one has like the split headlight design, which it looks okay. But I'm not
aggressive like this, to be honest.
Yeah, I'm not a big fan of the split headlights because it has like a square. It has like a strip on the top near the grill, and it has squares. Like it's kind of like some of the newer Hyundai cars. I just like the look on this better. It's more cohesive. Doesn't look kind of out of the norm because there's really not many other BMWs with the split headlights. I think this is the only one. I think singular headlight designs just look better for any car. Gives it more simplicity. Oh yeah, and I forgot to mention you have a wireless charging tray. As you can see my phone in there. It's a nice wireless charging tray. You do have Apple CarPlay and Android Auto in this car. So yeah, it's just a good look. It just looks cool. It's just a good looking car. Let's see if this has the really advanced camera setting. 3D view. Should be. And you also have a car wash mode. Yeah, maybe this one doesn't have it where you can move your finger around in front of the screen for it to do that, but it is a very cool camera setting nonetheless. You also have built-in navigation. Nice center console storage. You can fit some good stuff in there for sure. You also have an air suspension in this car, and I like the way the trim looks. It's pretty cool. But overall, very nice BMW X7. Can't really go wrong with these. They drive really well, they look really good, and they offer some great technology and features. But overall, that is about it. Thank you for watching another video of Drew Drives. If you enjoyed this video, please consider subscribing, and be sure to check out the link to Grubb's Family Dealerships in the description below if you'd like to shop for your own X7.